senemana ediyo ediyete ediyene kanyen anyene tiesa apia yene ti kodide enyanga siede doctor anyekeme wa.
Today is the birthday of a good man, a fine daddy, a handsome man. He has a good heart, he has a good egg growth. His name is Doctor Who Fit Sacrifice.
Abang, you feel who fit? Oh, you come my guy who fit. You come for you sacrifice.
That's why.
Oh, kick on my car sacrifice. Then kick off for who? I'm from what young widow. Could have been it. And the National Secretary media. The thing about
Nam is
and young Karang because it's just young good. Talk about it. The National Publicity Secretary, Nigeria Medical Association. Oh, don't worry.
Nigeria.
Oh, I am what they want to free Nigeria. I am not for what I see. Young player, say for.
Because today is your birthday.
You know, I have a young thing.
We say make up, but sorry, bless you.
Let me have your body on key. What did you bring back?
I won't slip off the top.
No, what are they?
They made a ya.
As a semaine.
Oh, daughter.
You know, a day, some for the cinema for.
Because today is your birthday.
Young for river.
Leave hospital.
Come on, river.
Don't took medicine.
Young for.
Go ask.
Carry am po.
Go and jump.
Nego neck.
Dance.
Go
Sing.
Nemes.
Happy.
Go on for the cinema.
Because today is your day.
May
God bless you. Abang ame friend po. Ayen ko do epidemiologist.
Oh, what are they?
Ekpe mi esi monoke.
Oh, yeah, the equipment monade.
Tukate na nga fresh nke tomatoes.
See tomatoes.
That's oyam.
Oh, yum. For summer.
Ko todo.
Happy birthday to you from a big book.
That's kingdom.
My hero. Abang a young big book.
Akbuma.
Mendora.